Welcome to 265 Meadow Road, a beautifully renovated 3+2 bedroom, 3-bathroom brick bungalow situated within Whitby's well-established Blue Grass Meadows community. Located on a huge corner lot with mature trees and hedges for privacy, interlocking lines the driveway and surrounds the concrete-covered front porch, which overlooks a cedar-lined front yard filled with lovely perennial plantings. Beyond the front door, and to the left of the entrance foyer, is a west-facing living room finished with hardwood flooring. Enjoying front yard views through its huge window, natural lighting and a neutral decor accentuates the elegance of this entertaining space. Hardwood flooring is also found in all 3 main-level bedrooms, while throughout the remainder of the home are well-maintained ceramic tiled floors. At the end of the bedroom hallway is the main washroom, a spa-like space showcasing a corner jetted tub, a corner glass shower, and a vanity with countertop basin. All 3 bedrooms overlook the backyard and have large windows with privacy shades. The bedroom next to the washroom also has a mirrored door closet. The master bedroom has a contemporary ceiling fan with remote, as well as a double closet, while the 3rd bedroom has a single closet. And this section of the home also features a linen closet as well as 2 double coat closets. Another contemporary ceiling fan complete with remote is found in the spacious dining room, and the west-facing window here, as well as in the kitchen, both have California shutters. Bright and very open, the beautiful modern kitchen showcases crisp white cabinetry with impressive storage, a stainless steel extra-wide sink, an oven with gas cooktop, and an arabesque tiled backsplash, modern light fixtures, as well as an over-the-range microwave, a fridge, and dishwasher. And the openness of the kitchen to the dining area is perfect for entertaining convenience. Off the kitchen is the staircase to the fully finished lower level, a powder room, as well as a laundry area with stacked washer and dryer. And from here is a walkout onto an east-facing raised deck overlooking the massive backyard, which showcases a huge heated in-ground pool complete with equipment, as well as a storage shed and tons of space for outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. This property has 2 separate driveway accesses. The main driveway is off Meadow Road itself, while the secondary driveway off Rosslyn Road also provides access to a detached 3-car garage, giving this home parking for up to 13 vehicles in total. Adding wonderful living space to the home, the lower level features an eat-in kitchen with access to a cold cellar, plenty of space for a portable island or a standalone pantry, fridge and stove, as well as a stainless steel double sink. Off the dining area is the first of 2 bedrooms, with this bedroom featuring a walk-in closet and a 3-piece ensuite washroom with a walk-in shower area. The 2nd bedroom is quite generous in its size, has a double-sized closet, and an east-facing window with California shutters. While completing this level is a spacious family room with a brick feature wall in the corner and a huge window providing backyard views. In addition, there is a mirrored coat closet next to the backyard walkout, making this level ideal as an in-law suite. Backing onto a ravine setting with a creek running through it, this home is close to schools, parks, public transit, and places of worship, and is a short drive to shopping plazas and malls, the Whitby Entertainment Centrum, the GO Station, conservation areas and golf courses, as well as for access to highways 401 and the 407. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.